Hi, welcome to my channel, and this is episode 263 of our grave tour of the famous series. In this episode, we return to Himlaing Pilipino Memorial Park in Quezon City in search of notable individuals like our heroes, famous celebrities, musicians, politicians, sportsmen, and businessmen interred in this part of Metro Manila. Come, join us to remember, celebrate the life, and visit the final resting place of a professional hairdresser, a makeup artist, an actor, and a businessman. Located at the northern side of the cemetery, we found the final resting place of June Encarnacion. Pablo L. Encarnacion Jr. was born on the 12th of May 1948. He was a professional hairdresser, a makeup artist, an actor, and businessman. Encarnacion had 6 children, including the celebrity chef Tristan Encarnacion of Center of Culinary Arts. Encarnacion started as hairdresser and makeup artist. Later on, he established his own beauty parlor, June Encarnacion Salon and Spa. In 1993, Encarnacion expanded his salon business to international market and set up branches in the US, UAE, and other countries. As actor, Encarnacion had 13 film and TV appearances from 1989 to 1999. Some of his films and TV appearances include 1989 Super Mouse and the Roborat starring Joey De Leon with Rene Requestas, Manilyn Reyes, and Carmina Villaruel. 1991, Taysi ng Tahanan as its segment host with Tessie Tomas as aired over then ABS-CBN Channel 2. 1995, Run Barbie Run starring Joey De Leon with Maricel Laksa.
How a lonely day can make a person say, what good is mom? How a breaking heart can make me stop to say, what good is mom? I often seem to think I'll find another dream.
1995, Onyok Tigasin starring Jimmy Santos with Glydel Mercado.
Ay! Ayan! Ay! Nalaman! Okay. Hindi mo ba ako tatanungin kung saan ako pupunta? Oh, child. Ay, nako! Mabuti na lamang at hindi ka natakot sa traffic sa Pasig. Nako, inayawan ako! Tinakbuhan ako! Ay, ano ba yan? Nakaka-iberna!
1997, Totoy Mola starring Jay Manalo with Tindy Gallardo and Aya Medel.
Gusto mo ba kumitan? Ubar. Kung gusto, may trabaho pa. Sigurado.
1997, Matricula starring Rosana Roses and Jao Mapa.
Sino kasama mo? Nasa bahay. Mukha naman yatang napakaaga mo rito. Pag-unahan ka pa rin kay Mariposa, no? May show ba siya ngayon? Meron. Andun niya nagpapamakeup. Ang mabuti pa kaya eh. Doon ka na naman din sa VIP room. Mariposa, ha? Sige. Hoy, ikaw! Dali mo yung order niya sa VIP room, ha? Bilis!
1997, matinik na bading mga shocking booking starring Leo Martinez and Andrew E. with Rufa May Quinto and Pia Pilapil. 1998, muling ibalik ang tamis ng pag-ibig starring Judy Ann Santos with Wobby de Guzman. 1998, Honey, Nasa Langit na Ba Ako starring Jano Gibbs and Regine Velasquez.
Yeah, Pio! Tuloy po kayo, tuloy kayo. Ay, ano ho, tingnan nyo, ha? Naku, kagandang bigla katawan nyo, ha?
Sandali lang ho. Ito, ma'am, ito ang sarili ko.
Pero may ari yung design na ito, eh.
Sa akin. Ako,
Yes, ma'am.
ito ang
Okay, ma'am, sorry ho kasi hindi na ho pwede yung design na ito.
His last appearance was in 1999 movie Basta't Ikaw Nanginginig Pa starring Rosana Roses and Vic Soto.
Dad! Paninyong kung sino yan, walang iba kung hindi ako.
Mabuhay si Mayor Corio Galante!
Sa ikinatawan ng Baryo Lawa, ang tambalang Selena Chacha at kanilang sasayawin ay Cha-Cha-Cha. Ano ba? Palakpakan po natin sila. Ngayon naman, ang ipinagmamalaki ng Baryo Malaki, si Enteng at ang kanyang asawa, si Celia.
Encarnacion died on the 20th October 2001 because of intestine cancer that was developed from a mere ulcer. He was only 53. In the next episodes, we will post a video of our recent visit of Manila North Cemetery and libingan ng mga bayani in Taguig. Later in this channel, we will also post more grave tour videos including Loyola Memorial Park in Marikina and in Parañaque. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe if you like my channel. See you in our next grave tour of the famous episodes.